Good morning, dear 8th standard students. I welcome you all for this new academic year 2021. Hope you are all keeping good health during this pandemic COVID-19. Stay away from outside people and keep social distancing. If at all, if you are going out, use face mask and hand sanitizers as per the government rules. So meanwhile, you keep in touch with the subjects. And today we are going to discuss about a new topic, education development in India in history. So in this lesson we are going to discuss about ancient system of education in India and development of education in both medieval and modern period. Now let us go into the topic and learn. Knowledge is the third eye of man. Educational development in India. Education plays a vital role in shaping responsible people. Education is a continuous process of acquiring and sharing of knowledge, skills, and values. So, to meet the challenges and overcome the obstacles, we need to be well educated and to know the role of the education in the human development process. The literal meaning of the Sanskrit word Veda is knowledge, and the word derived from the word vid, which means to know. Now we are going to learn the ancient education system in India, a way of life. The Gurukula system. In ancient India, both formal and informal education existed. The education was imparted at home, in temples, paఠశాlas and gurukulas. There were people in homes, villages and temples who guided young children in imbibing pious way of life. Teaching was oral and students remembered and meditated upon what was taught in the gurukulas. Viharas and universities in Buddhist period. The most notable universities that emerged during that period were situated at Taxila, Nalanda and Jagadala. These universities developed in connection with the Viharas. The University of Taxila was one of the famous university in Taxila. The ancient Nalanda University was a center of learning from the 5th century AD to 12th century AD. Education was developed after Dr. Johannes Gutenberg inventing printing machines. Now let us see the gist of education in medieval India. The system of education in medieval India was under the control of ulema. During those days, education was related to religious training. The medieval period saw the founding of many religious mud or monasteries, which also took up the cause of education. The Ahobila Mutt in Srirangam was one among them, where Sri Ramanujam has made a distinctive contribution to the cause of education. Churches also took up the contribution to the cause of education. Let us now see the introduction of modern system of education. At the beginning of the modern system of Indian education can be traced to the efforts of the Christian missionaries who arrived in India in the wake of European occupation. As a result of their efforts, many institutions were established across India. These institutions imparted Western as well as Indian education. The Portuguese were the first Europeans who started modern system of education in India. Saint Francis Xavier, a Jesuit priest, started a university at Cochin. They started many primary schools. The first college offering degrees on a completion of a course was started in Goa in 1575, where Christianity, logic, grammar and music were taught. In 1812, Dr. C.S. John established 20 free reading schools in Tranquebar. Okay, students, that's all for today's class. We will discuss the lesson in detail in coming classes. If you have doubts in this lesson, you can post the question in WhatsApp group. So be safe and secure at home. Thank you.